And
We
of
have
course
not
now.
seen any wedding pictures. When are you going to put the wedding? Do we have to wait for your silver anniversary? Tab jaake?
Maybe. Actually, that's a very good idea.
No, it's not. I was joking. Now you'll take it seriously.
Oh, no, no. But
No, nothing. Only Sabya spoke about it to some magazine, and
yes,
that's how one knows that okay, he did the wedding. But otherwise, kuch bhi nahi.
yes.
So, what is it about you and your husband of keeping all this very
I think my
secret?
husband is a very private person, and I think he wanted the wedding to be very private. So obviously, I don't think he'll ever want the wedding pictures to be out. But I'll show you privately.
Okay, and does that work? Like in the sense of, do you also have you become private also as a result
So
of that, or were you always private?
I think I was always private because my work life is different, my personal life is different. If you've seen me through the years, I think I only make like appearances when there is a reason for it. It's not always all the time. Because I do think that there are certain things that you need to keep to yourself because you need to protect your environment slightly because everything can't be for everyone to see because we're already so exposed, so that exposure is enough, I feel. There are certain things that you need to keep private to yourself, especially where you're going, what you're doing with your family. I think that is a little something that
Actually,
you should protect.
that is what made film stars so fabulous. Is that there was a mystery around them. There was an enigma कि ये क्या करते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, and then somebody would talk about a sighting of an actor
Yes,
somewhere.
yes,
That's how it
yes.
happened. But now everything is out there. Instagram पे सब कुछ है. Going to the bhaji wala, going to the exercise. But आपका नहीं है.
नहीं
हाँ?
तो अच्छी बात है ना,
हाँ.
ताकि जब मेरी फिल्में आती है तो एटलीस्ट मेरे जो ऑडियंस है उनको ऐसा लगेगा कि चलो हम जाके रानी को बड़े पर्दे पे देखें. सो आई थिंक इट्स नाइस.
Okay. And when was this decision taken? When you met Aditya, or was it beforehand that you decided कि मेरा everything about me doesn't need to be out there?
I think it was my decision also, and then being with Adi and of course being together, I think we both follow the same philosophy, and we had the same philosophy for our daughter as well. Because we didn't want her to ever be in a situation where she's overexposed, and that she should feel that there's anything special going on with her, or any wherever she goes, she needs to have a very normal life. Not that there are people looking at her and recognizing her, because when she grows up and when she chooses a profession that she needs to choose, then whatever she earns, her recognition will be her earned through her, through her merit. She doesn't earn the recognition because she has famous parents. So she should earn that herself. It should not come to her taken for granted.
Because that kind of parenting requires a lot of discipline in your life as well as her life.
Yes.
How is the communication done to a child? Because sometimes children want that, na कि हमारी photo हर जगह हो, मम्मी की है.
But I think luckily Adira's genes is very strongly on Adi's side.
Okay.
So she's also like a 50-50. So I'm sure that what she has in her mind right now, maybe she's not expressed it completely. But I do feel that she also has a very strong point of view. So I'm sure that when she comes to a particular age, she'll have a nice conversation with her dad, and she will even out things for herself, like whatever and however she wants her life to be.
Once I interviewed Hema Malini, and I asked her the same question that people used to keep laughing about this, that ask Amma, don't ask me, not giving opinions. And this was when a time when there was no television, it was just print journalism.
Right.
And the print journalists ruled the roost. They could make or break careers.
Yes.
She just would not talk about her private life. She just kept quiet about it and did exactly what she wanted, but it was always ask Amma. And same with Sridevi, was like, would not talk at all. It was like decided that no, this is how I'm going
because
to be.
At that time, I think mothers represented the PR, they represented the media, they represented being guardians. So they were everything put in one. Like how today you have different people doing different things in an actor's life. That time, parents were
Everything.
Sarva Gun Sampan. They were PR people also, they were media people also. They
Finance.
were security, finance.
I know, managers.
Everything, managers, they were doing everything, handling the dates, handling everything. So they were like superhumans.